Waxman was an experiment. The fact that he participated in it does not excuse or lessen the blame of Dr. Murray, who simply could have walked away and said no, as countless others did. Dr. Murray was intrigued by the prospect, and he engaged in this money for medicine madness that is simply not going to be tolerated by me. So as to sentencing in this case, the request for probation is denied. The court imposes the high term of 4 years imprisonment in this case. Pursuant to the Realignment Act of 2011 and the provisions of Penal Code Section 1170, Subdivision H, that 4-year sentence is to be served in the Los Angeles County Jail under the care, supervision, and direction of the Los Angeles County Sheriff. Dr. Murray is to pay an $800 restitution fine pursuant to the provisions of Penal Code Section 1202.4 and the statutory scheme therein, a $30 court security fee pursuant to Penal Code Section 1465.8, Subdivision A, Paragraph 1, and a $40 criminal conviction assessment pursuant to Government Code Section 70373. As a convicted felon, Dr. Murray is ordered to provide specimens and samples of blood, saliva, fingerprints, and palm prints for law enforcement investigative purposes and the state DNA databank, and his willful refusal to provide any such specimens and samples is a separate crime. Appropriate restitution to the estate of Michael Jackson and to the children and other family of Michael Jackson, pursuant to the provisions of Penal Code Section 1202.4 and the case of People versus Lunsford, Lunsford, at 67 Calap 4th 901, in the amount and manner as determined by this court at a later restitution hearing, where the court can be provided by the people through Mr. Weitzman and through anybody else with more detailed information. Now, Mr. Walgren, as you know, Mr. Weitzman indicated that the above information is a combination of monies actually spent. Well, I'd like to see it.